Doing today, wanted to show you Valentine's Day is closing in, right? So I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's doing okay. And I wanted to show you a nice car that I've got. It's a special car. That's why it's in a. It's a special car. That's why it's in a protector. When you see what it is, Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is closing in. So Valentine's Day is closing in. So we got to get into Valentine's Day spirit. So here we go. I think most of you know what it is, but hallelujah, look at that. Nice and neat. It is. What is it? What is it? Let me put it over here. Maybe you can see it. It's the Chevy Silverado 83. Chevy Silverado, the Valentine's Day edition. Hot Wheels, of course, right here. Hot Wheels Valentine's Day 2 from. Don't know yet who's gonna get it. So, what do you think about this car? Let me take it out of the protector so that you guys can appreciate the beauty of it. Look at the card, man. Look at the card. What is it? Right there. It's neat. Very neat. Look at that. Neat. I think it's nice, man. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. The card is mint. And in the back over here, you can see the cards of the Valentine's Day collection. So you can see the 68 Mercury Cougar, the Baja Breaker, the 68 Chevy El Camino, 365 CTS4 Daytona, this 83 Chevy Silverado, and the 9 burner. But this is what we've got today. Nice piece. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about it. Get your tips, comments, suggestions there. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it. Have you ever had one of these? When was the last time you saw one? How much are they going for? Not eBay prices, but you know, how much do you think they'll go for? So, you know, yeah, we have the nice special car here. So let me know what you think about it, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Put your notification on. And thank you much. I will be doing a giveaway very, very, very soon. Be on the lookout for it. Share the video, guys. And be on the lookout for the giveaway. God bless.